How to fix Coinbase Wallet something went wrong error. So Coinbase users may encounter a something went wrong error for various reasons, including network congestion, exchange price fluctuations, or low gas fees. And here are some troubleshooting steps to try. First is to wait at least 60 seconds before attempting the transaction again. So if you've been trying to do it again and again, wait for a couple of minutes and just see if that helps you. Second is you can try to restart the app. So close the app completely from your recents menu and go ahead and then reopen it from your app drawer again. And now if that doesn't help, then you can also try to update the Coinbase application. So simply go ahead and search for Coinbase app on your Play Store. Check if the Coinbase app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. You also want to make sure to update your own device to the latest version. So open settings and go to software update. Check if you have got any sort of software updates available. If it does, then also make sure to update your device as well to the latest version. If you're using from browser, you can try to clear the cache files as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then fix Coinbase Wallet something went wrong. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.